I said that the Arabic word for justice mentioned in the Quran is adl. And one of Allah's names is Al-Adl. He is the most perfect. He is the most just and the perfect one in justice. His justice is perfection. And there is another important word I said, it's called al-qist, which is more specific than justice, meaning equity and fairness. So justice and equity and fairness are both part of this whole fairness and equity and the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to be in life. The word justice and the word equity are a little bit different in the following way, as I said before. Justice is equality without favoritism. What is owed to all people in the same way per rules or customs. There's no favoritism. A person's color, a person's clan, he's from my family, this person is male or female, I've got discrimination with gender or something like that. Everybody has the same right to the same judicial system. Al-Qist, equity, means what each person deserves, what is deserved, being fair to others according to their individual circumstances and situations. I'll give you an example. Let's say there is a fence, and behind that fence there is a beautiful field where people want to look at. If the fence is too high and you have tall people and short people, and the fence is too high, obviously there'll be injustice here. So then we cater for the short people so that they can also see like the way the tall people see. So what do? For example, we build higher blocks for the short people to stand on. So now both the short person and the tall person can see the field. That's called qist, which means equity, giving the share of each person as they deserve. Justice, adl, means to lower the entire fence, and now everybody can see in the same way, whether short or tall. Both of them are important in Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most just, as I said, and He is the most equitable. One of the other names of Allah is Al-Muqsit, the one who gives each person's share and each being's share according to the fair way that they deserve.